This is a new construction home in Tucker, and it's definitely delivering beauty. You have your formal dining area on this side, and this has a two-story family room, two-story living room area, and you're overlooking the kitchen. And then we'll have the owner's suite on this side. Very spacious, nice open windows, and you'll get a real joy out of this bathroom with it being a formal on the main. Walk-in closet, that's actually a shower that I'm showing you. Walk-in shower. Dual vanity, and the floor tile goes all the way up the wall. There's your water closet there, and the linen is across from me, but here you have your walk-in closet. It's actually kind of like the size of a bedroom. Really great space here. So we'll go back through the master suite and check out that living room space again. This again is new construction in the city of Tucker. Feel nice and open. There's your front door. And that would be the formal living room. They're using that as an office right now, and there are guests there, so we won't take in that space, but it is a space there. And this again is the kitchen. This is what's on the second floor of this model home in Tucker. Let's see what it is going to deliver for us. So since the downstairs area or the family room is two-story, we get to peek over. It's beautiful, right? It's one of the secondary rooms, complete with a full bath, lots of space, your bathtub, and it is, by the way, a Jack and Jill. So we end up over here with this bedroom. Shared bathroom space is what we call a Jack and Jill, and it takes us right back out to this shared family space loft area. Has a bathroom there and the closet. And then we have this side, full bath. And a large, spacious bedroom. This is the second floor.